विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी मायकल लोबोन अंगणवाडी कर्मचाऱ्यांक काढून उडयल्ल्याचो आदेश फाटीं घेवचो म्हूण मागणी करत मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंताक मेळ्ळो. मुख्यमंत्र्यांच्या बंगल्या फुडल्यान केल्ले आंदोलना आड केल्ली कारवाय म्हूण सांत अंगणवाडी कर्मचाऱ्यांक महिला आनी बाल कल्याण खात्यान काढून उडयल्लो. तो आदेश फाटीं घेवचो आनी त्या कर्मचाऱ्यांक परत घेवचे अशी मागणी मायकलान केल्या.
The minister and to the director and revoke that order. And as a leader of opposition, हांवें रिक्वेस्ट केलें की ह्या महिलांचो हित सांबाळपाची गरज आहे. We have to protect them because all these years they were working and all of a sudden they are being terminated because of that strike. And
So CM
सांगलात आपण कोत्ता.
How many people have been removed?
Around seven are terminated. Those ladies are there and they also cried over there that it is our job, sir, and it is they are going to face very great difficulty in their house because they finally live on that salary and their parents and their children who are there in their house, they go to school with that salary what they get. So इतले तरी आमी finally we are all humans आणि आमी मनीस कोण सांबाळपाक जाय